Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to redeem Valorant gift card from another country. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So Valorant prepaid cards can be redeemed only in Valorant and cross-game redemption is not supported. However, you can simply open a web browser of your preference and search for your Valorant. So once you have found the Valorant support option, you can simply tap on it. Once you go in your Valorant support, there you can find an option called submit a ticket. Simply tap on that particular option and you will be redirected to this kind of interface. So here simply submit a request of account management and deletion. So here you need to simply write your concern as change account reason. Once you do this, you will be able to change your reason, and now you can go in your Valorant app itself and select your Valorant points that is to be purchased, and in the select payment method you can simply choose your prepaid game cards and codes. So by doing this, you can redeem your Valorant gift card from another country. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.